Introduce highlight features and quick overview of INNOKA Handheld Vacuum Cordless. Highlight features or overview summary are include. Always ready for a quick clean. 3-in-1 charging and docking station. Store and charge your handheld vacuum at one place. It fits almost anywhere in your home. After cleaning, just put the vacuum cleaner back to charging base. It will be recharged automatically and ready for next quick cleaning, save efforts, and convenient storage. INNOKA Hand Vacuum is lightweight at 2.2 pounds, portable to help you clean everywhere easily without bulky and tangled cords. It features one PP outer filter and one HEPA filter. Both filters are long durability and washable to clean dirties. There is intake flap to keep the dirt and debris inside dustbin when the vacuum cleaner is off. Please clean HEPA filters after using to keep high performance. Input voltage 110 volt to about 220 volt. Built-in cyclone hand vacuum equips 80-watt high-power motor with suction above 7000 PA, sucking up 99.97% of particles as small as 0.3 microns. From daily dust, pet hair, cat litter, paper debris to crumbs, providing all-around protection for your home and car, it is an ideal gift for your wife and friends. Powered by 3x 2200 mAh high-capacity lithium-ion batteries, this handheld cordless vacuum cleaner can be fully charged in 4.5 hours, continuous run time 20 to 25 minutes. This vacuum has a big capacity dust collection cup of 17 ounces (RO 0.5 liters), large enough to store deep cleaning debris and crumbs from your kitchen, living room to the bedroom. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.